Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain about slope from the coordinate geometry. So generally, according to science, slope is nothing but steepness of a line. But in mathematics, slope, the angle made by a straight line with the positive x-axis is called the slope of the straight line. What is the slope? The angle made by a straight line with positive x-axis is called the slope of the straight line. So we have formula in coordinate geometry. Slope of a line joining any two points, A x1 y1, B x2 y2 is m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. It means difference of y coordinates by difference of x coordinates. If theta is the angle, let the line made theta angle, then m is equal to tan theta. See here, I took x-axis and y-axis, and L is a straight line. I took two coordinates A and B on L. Then I need slope of AB. I need a slope of AB. Okay, now draw two perpendicular lines through A and B. From the diagram, OC is equal to x1, OD is equal to x2. Similarly, OF is equal to y1, OG is equal to y2. Now from the diagram, I need the length of CD. So to find the CD, so total OD, from the OD you have to subtract OC. So CD is equal to what we can write? OD minus OC. It is nothing but x2 minus x1. Similarly, I need BE. To find BE, what we can write? OG minus OF. What is OG? It is nothing but y2. It is y1. So y2 minus y1. The length of the CD and the length of the AE both are equal. So AE is equal to CD is equal to what we can write? x2 minus x1. Similarly, GF is equal to BE is equal to y2 minus y1. So the length of A is x2 minus x1. Length of B is y2 minus y1. So clearly observe here, one right angle triangle is formed. What is the right angle triangle? AEB. In triangle AEB, angle E is equal to 90 degrees. Angle E is equal to 90 degrees. Here, these two angles are equal. Why? Because in the transversal corresponding angles are equal. So, by using that, now BE is nothing but opposite to theta. Opposite side to theta is equal to BE. Next, adjacent side to theta is equal to AE. Length of B is nothing but y2 minus y1. Length of A is nothing but x2 minus x1. BE is equal to y2 minus y1 and A is equal to x2 minus x1. Here I am going to apply trigonometry ratios. From the trigonometry, tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. What is the opposite side here? y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1, and adjacent side is x2 minus x1. So finally m is equal to, m is slope. Tan theta is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. We can use tan theta. If you know the angle, we can use tan theta. If you know the coordinates, we can use y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Good morning students. Here problems on slope formula. First question, find the slope of the line passing through given points 2a, 3b and a, minus b. Second question, 4, minus 8 and 5, minus 2. Solution. Let A 2a, 3b and b a, minus b. Let x1 y1 and x2 y2. Already we have the slope formula. What is the formula? Slope of AB is equal to formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now apply the values. What is the y2? y2 is nothing but minus b minus. What is the y1? Minus 3b by what is the x2? A minus what is the x1? 2a minus 4b by minus a. Minus cancel. So what is the answer? 4b by a. What about second point? Second coordinates 4, minus 8, 5, minus 2. Take this as x1 y1 and x2 y2. Let a and b. What is the formula? Slope is equal y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. To find the slope, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What is the y2? Minus 2. Minus what is the y1? Minus 8. By what about x2? 5. Minus x1 4. So finally minus 2 plus 6 by 1. So what is the answer? What is the answer? 6. So slope of given line is equal to 6. Now move to second question. In second question, what are the points given? P 2, 5. Q x, 3. So from this you have to find the value of x. Let P as x1 by 1, Q as x2 by 2. Slope of PQ is equal to formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Already value there in question. What is the value of slope? 2. So 2 is equal to y2 means 3. Minus y1 5 by x2 means x minus x1 means 2. So after the cross multiplication, what do you get? 2x minus 4 is equal minus 2. 2x is equal minus 2 plus 4. So 2x is equal to 2. Then x is equal to 2 by 2 is nothing but 1. So what is the value of x? Is equal to 1. Here is the homework questions on slope formula. First question, find the slope of the line passing through the given points a, 0 and 0, b. Second question, determine x. If the slope of the line joining the 2 points 4, x and 7, 2 is 8 by 3. Third one, a, 0, 3, b, k, 0 are the 2 coordinates of AB and AB is equal to 5. Find the value of k. So this one we have to do. by using distance formula. Thank you.